never miss a beat with automated workflows. Workflows are a powerful way to stay organized. Gone are the days of post-it notes. Workflows help you stay on track with leads and book jobs. Replace the post-it notes around your work area with workflow tasks. No more forgetting to send that email or questionnaire. We do it for you automatically. There are three types of workflows: lead workflows, job workflows, and product workflows. Use lead workflows for jobs that aren't booked yet. Job workflows are for those jobs that have been booked. And a product workflow is for a to-do list of necessary tasks for the preparation and delivery of client orders. If you're not the only person in your studio, assign tasks to members of your studio responsible for completing them. Emails can automatically be sent to everyone from the clients getting married to contracts and second shooters. You can even schedule a happy anniversary email to be sent 365 days after the wedding. So, what is a workflow? A workflow is composed of a series of tasks necessary to fulfill a job. It can also include scheduled emails and questionnaires that are sent automatically. These tasks and automations occur in relation to the status of the job or the dates of the events on the job. The job workflow can also automatically create other events on that job. The first step is to build a workflow under the Settings tab. Then you can apply it to your jobs. We made it super easy to create a workflow rule. Just tell the system what to do, who it's going to, and when to do it. Emails and questionnaires can also be sent from workflows when a task is due or completed. A very cool feature is the ability to assign workflow items to an employee. It's very easy to assign a set reminder for an employee to complete a task. Never go on a vacation again wondering if something is getting done.